Being here in the Midwest, we have 4 seasons, constant storms. So when we get a shingle that, like Dynasty, has 130-mile-an-hour wind rating, it goes worlds further on the integrity and quality that we can provide the homeowner. My name is IKO Dynasty, and I'm the owner of Dupage Construction. We're providing an end-to-end service, meeting with the insurance company, getting the roof paid for, brand new roof start to finish. We are getting 70, 80-mile-an-hour winds. Whether it's going 100 degrees all the way to sub-zero, we live and die by the Dynasty product.
My name's Sean and I'm a sales manager at Dupage Construction. IKO Dynasty is the shingle that we install on 95% of our roofs. I know that it's a better shingle. I know that the roofers appreciate the nailing strip on the back. Even I couldn't miss the nailing strip, even after 8 hours, and I'm not a roofer.
There's a large variety of colors to choose from, and so it ends up making the neighborhood better and improving the homeowner's value.